Light it.
That's my dogger. Sorry, dogger. Well, we're trying to light down his birthday cake. As you can hear, it's going.
Got it too close.
I've got the overhead fan on.
Oh. Bye, overhead fan.
This is a carrot cake. Why is it a carrot cake? Because I like carrot cakes. Oh, it's Donna's birthday, but I made a carrot cake for her. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Donna. Happy birthday to you. Now make a wish and blow out the candle.
Thank you.
Close your eyes. Blow out the candle when you're ready. All right.